Yeah.
Always
Good
get
stuff.
chills. All right, guys. Another big storm coming in tomorrow. We've got the watches, warnings, advisories map. It is lit up. So, I mean, we got to talk a lot about what's coming in because we're already seeing rainfall out the door this evening. We talked a little bit about this about 10 minutes ago. Wind advisory, high wind warning, flood warning, coastal flood advisory, winter weather advisory, storm warning out along the seas. So basically just think that this storm is impacting absolutely everybody in one way or another. So we talked about the winds. All right, I'm going to forecast that in a moment, but I also want to mention the coastal flood warnings got us raising our eyebrows just a little bit just because of the surf, high tides between 9 and 11 a.m. So we could see some coastal erosion. Also, for the northwest interior, any place near parts of the Sound, I should say, or the Strait, or maybe even out towards Grays Harbor County, that's where we can see the coastal flood advisory. So just a heads up that the seas will be active. Also, in the mountains, winter weather advisory, everything above 4,000 to 5,000 feet, 6 to 12 inches of new snow. That gets us excited. Also, if you're going to be traveling, that means I think you should deal with rain over I-90. We'll get to that in a moment. Let's talk wind. It's already starting to pick up a little bit, but tomorrow morning is when we'll really begin to feel it. I want to pause it now at noon and just notice that south wind is going to be coming in very, very fast. So look at the Everett our speed right now at this reading at noon, 40 miles an hour. The color spectrum you're seeing out here is going to be A, the direction, and B, the gusts. So if you see any purples, some reds, some oranges, that would indicate gusting speeds, the wind speeds anywhere between 20 and 40 miles per hour with some gusts as high as 60. So I think tomorrow is going to be a day where you're probably not going to want to be on the roads if you don't have to, especially if you're a high-profile vehicle. Throughout the evening, the wind is still there. It eventually lowers as we go into Friday, but it's going to take some time. Okay, I think Friday is going to be our break, which will be nice. The rainfall will be with us first thing in the morning. All right, so definitely I would say don't bring an umbrella because of the wind. Bring your rain jacket tomorrow. This is a look at your timestamp. Notice the front crosses the region. The south wind behind that will definitely stay very, very gusty throughout the day. The higher terrain is what we'll be encountering most of the precipitation, which is why we've got 6 to 12 inches of snow possible in the Cascades. Meanwhile, the rain amounts in and around Puget Sound shouldn't be too impressive, which is good. No major flood concern, but the wind will be the big factor. And then a new storm coming in Friday night and into Saturday morning, okay? So we're going to keep on this track of one storm after another. Real quick, want to show you a snow updated map on how much we could receive. I think the higher mountains, Crystal showing maybe up to 10 inches. Notice Snoqualmie Pass reads as 0. That's because the snow level tomorrow is at about 5,000 feet. Snoqualmie Pass, 3,000. So it'll be rain. If you got to travel, that's good news. If you want to ski, go to one of the higher mountain resorts around the region. 51 tomorrow, Friday at 46. We see temperatures dip just a little bit as we get ready for Christmas, and we're going to keep storms coming in left and right.